Which of the following balances is designed for higher precision in mass measurement? A. Beam balance. B. Physical balance. C. Spring balance. D. Digital balance. The correct answer is B. Physical balance. What size of image does a convex mirror consistently form? A. Large-sized. B. Small-sized. C. Magnified. D. Same-sized. The correct answer is B. Small-sized. What is the texture of the inner surface of the nasal cavity? A. Sticky and moist. B. Hard and rigid. C. Rough and dry. D. Smooth and slippery. The correct answer is A. Sticky and moist. What is one practical application of lateral inversion mentioned? A. Making words readable in a rearview mirror. B. Correcting vision in eyeglasses. C. Enhancing color perception in art. D. Creating optical illusions. The correct answer is A. Making words readable in a rearview mirror. Which type of expansion is always greater? A. Container expansion. B. Apparent expansion. C. Real expansion. D. Observed expansion. The correct answer is C. Real expansion. Where is the stud, anvil, located in relation to the screw's tip? A. On the screw head. B. On the digital display. C. Opposite the tip of the screw. D. On the vernier scale. The correct answer is C. Opposite the tip of the screw. What distinguishes free electrons from other electrons within an atom? A. Their larger mass. B. Their ability to move between atoms. C. Their location within the atom's nucleus. D. Their higher positive charge. The correct answer is B. Their ability to move between atoms. What is the function of the first set of magnets in a maglev train? A. To repel and push the train up off the track. B. To slow the train down. C. To provide lateral stability. D. To generate electricity for the train. The correct answer is A. To repel and push the train up off the track. Which type of lens is used to correct the vision condition known as myopia? A. Bifocal lens. B. Concave lens. C. Convex lens. D. Prismatic lens. The correct answer is B. Concave lens. What percentage of observed galaxies are classified as irregular galaxies? A. Less than 10%. B. About 50%. C. About 75%. D. About 25%. The correct answer is D. About 25%. Before the compression, what was the state of the material that would form the Sun and Solar System? A. A dense metallic core. B. A solid icy sphere. C. A slowly spinning molecular cloud. D. A rapidly expanding hot plasma. The correct answer is C. A slowly spinning molecular cloud. Approximately how many grams of dissolved salts does every liter of potable water contain? A. 1 to 2 grams. B. 3 to 4 grams. C. Less than 1 gram. D. More than 5 grams. The correct answer is A. 1 to 2 grams. What type of plastic is represented by resin code number 3? A. Polystyrene, PS. B. Polycarbonate, PC. C. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. D. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. The correct answer is D. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. What term describes the amount of sound energy passing each second through a unit area? A. Wavelength of sound. B. Pitch of sound. C. Frequency of sound. D. Intensity of sound. The correct answer is D. Intensity of sound. Which historical figure concluded that the stomach's hydrochloric acid is key to digestion? A. William Beaumont. B. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Robert Koch. The correct answer is A. William Beaumont. What is carbon chemistry also called? A. Physical chemistry. B. Living chemistry. C. Inorganic chemistry. D. Nuclear chemistry. The correct answer is B. Living chemistry. Based on the information, what is an example of a hydrocarbon mentioned? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Water. D. Methane. The correct answer is D. Methane. What specific space infrastructure is mentioned as a learning objective? A. The Mars rover. B. The Hubble Space Telescope. C. The Voyager probes. D. The International Space Station. The correct answer is D. The International Space Station. What is one reason why not all neutrons released during nuclear fission are available for further fission? A. They are converted into gamma rays. B. They escape from the system. C. They combine with electrons. D. They decay into protons. The correct answer is B. They escape from the system. Indirect usage of plant resources mentioned in the text includes needs for human livestock and what else? A. Building materials. B. Maintaining the environment. C. Direct food sources. D. Medical treatments. The correct answer is B. Maintaining the environment. Which color in the visible spectrum has the longest wavelength? A. Blue. B. Red. C. Indigo. D. Orange. The correct answer is B. Red. What type of ring structure does furan have? A. Heterocyclic aromatic. B. Acyclic. C. Homocyclic saturated. D. Allocyclic. The correct answer is A. Heterocyclic aromatic. How is groundnut prepared before placing it on paper to test for fat? A. It is powdered finely. B. It is soaked in water. C. It is boiled. D. It is crushed. The correct answer is D. It is crushed. Compared to survival without water, how long can a human survive without air? A. Much shorter. B. Much longer. C. Exactly twice as long. D. About the same time. The correct answer is A. Much shorter. Which area of chemistry applies chemical and biochemical knowledge to agricultural production? A. Analytical chemistry. B. Food chemistry. C. Environmental chemistry. D. Agricultural chemistry. The correct answer is D. Agricultural chemistry. Which of the following conditions is caused by carbon monoxide from tobacco smoke binding to hemoglobin? A. Gastric ulcers. B. Hypoxia. C. Emphysema. D. Increased blood pressure. The correct answer is B. Hypoxia. What type of rocket was PSLV C-37, which launched 104 satellites? A. Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. B. Sounding rocket. C. Heavy lift launch vehicle. D. Polar satellite launch vehicle. The correct answer is D. Polar satellite launch vehicle. What is a natural indicator related to acids and bases? A. Not explicitly mentioned as an example. B. Wasp bite. C. Ant bite. D. Tooth decay. The correct answer is A. Not explicitly mentioned as an example. What type of change is water transforming into steam? A. Physical change. B. Periodic change. C. Chemical change. D. Non-periodic change. The correct answer is A. Physical change. Which minerals are mentioned as components of the small old rocks that form sedimentary rock? A. Quartz and granite. B. Calcite and basalt. C. Limestone and shale. D. Quartz and calcite. The correct answer is D. Quartz and calcite. How did you score?